Silver proposed for U.S. critical minerals list. The U.S. Geological Survey's 2025 draft critical minerals list marks a fundamental shift in how policymakers view silver. For the first time, the white metal appears alongside lithium, cobalt, and rare earth elements as materials deemed essential to U.S. economic and national security. This inclusion, pending finalization later this year, legally mandates government focus on securing domestic supply chains through enhanced permitting, subsidies, and strategic stockpiling. In simple terms, the price of silver will skyrocket. The historical context underscores the significance of this change. Previous USGS lists excluded silver, treating it primarily as a monetary asset or jewelry commodity. The new classification acknowledges silver's irreplaceable role in critical technologies from solar photovoltaic cells to defense systems demanding ultra-reliable conductivity. This recognition signals that industrial demand has reached a threshold where supply security becomes a matter of national interest. The policy shift creates a structural demand layer beyond traditional supply-demand fundamentals. Critical mineral designation historically drives sustained government intervention, as seen with uranium stockpiling and rare earth supply chain initiatives. The implications extend beyond immediate price support to encompass accelerated permitting for domestic projects, tax incentives for production, and potential trade measures protecting strategic supply sources. Security and industrial demand. Silver's proposed critical mineral status reflects its expanding role in defense, energy transition, and advanced technology sectors. Defense applications include satellite systems, missile guidance electronics, and high-reliability military communications equipment where silver's superior conductivity and thermal properties are irreplaceable. The metal's antimicrobial properties also make it essential for medical devices and water purification systems. The energy transition amplifies silver's strategic importance through solar photovoltaic installations, electric vehicle components, and battery technologies. Each solar panel requires approximately 20 grams of silver, while electric vehicles use twice the silver content of conventional vehicles through electrical systems and charging infrastructure. Semiconductor manufacturing depends on silver for high-frequency applications, 5G networks, and artificial intelligence hardware where performance tolerances demand the highest grade materials. This industrial demand occurs as the United States imports over 70% of its silver consumption, with significant refining capacity concentrated in China. The geopolitical vulnerability becomes apparent when considering that silver-intensive technologies underpin everything from renewable energy infrastructure to advanced military systems. Stockpiling and strategic supply. Historical precedent suggests that critical mineral designation triggers sustained government intervention in silver markets. The Strategic Petroleum Reserve, uranium stockpiles, and rare earth supply initiatives demonstrate how national security considerations create durable demand floors. For silver, potential pathways include direct government purchases for strategic reserves, production subsidies for domestic operations, and trade measures securing reliable supply sources. The stockpiling mechanism operates through multiple channels. The Defense Logistics Agency maintains strategic inventories of materials essential to military operations, while the Department of Energy can authorize purchases supporting clean energy infrastructure. Congressional appropriations for critical mineral stockpiles have historically created multi-year procurement programs that establish price floors and reduce market volatility for strategic commodities. All this should alarm us that much higher silver prices are around the corner.
Subscribe if you like the video and hit the like button for more silver content.